Taking a screenshot of the lock screen on Android can be little tricky because most phones block it for privacy and security reasons. However, there are still a few simple ways you can try. First, the easiest method is using the hardware button. Press the power button plus volume down button at the same time while your phone is on the lock screen. On many Android devices, this will capture on the screen instantly, but on some phones it may not work due to security restriction. Second, you can use Google Assistant. Just say, "Hey Google, take a screenshot" while the lock screen is visible. Keep in mind that some devices require the phone to be unlocked this feature to work. Another option is using screen recording. Start your screen recording before locking your phone, then lock it. After that, stop recording and take a screenshot from the video. Lastly, some brands like Samsung offer extra feature like palm sweep. Sweep your hand across the screen, but again, it may not work on the lock screen. Overall, due to privacy and security protection, not all Android devices allow lock screen screenshot, but this method can help in some cases. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.